More misery for people of Manipur. IOC says there is no stock of petrol and LPG cylinders. Only 4 days stock of diesel left in oil depots. Union Minister for Human Resource Development Prakash Javadekar reiterates territorial integrity of Manipur will not be compromised. Union Minister Maneka Gandhi unhappy with the conditions of Anganwadi centers, promises to give due benefits to women and children if BJP comes to power. Union Health and Family Welfare Minister JP Nadda announces setting up of Rs 45 crore tertiary cancer care unit soon at Jennings. And 13-year-old girl feared drowned in Imphal River, saving 2 persons. Search operation continues. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You are watching Primetime News. I am Tensubam Ranita with the top stories and latest news at this hour. While the people in the state are suffering from monetization of Rs 1,000 and Rs 500 currency notes, IOC today said there is no stock of petrol and LPG cylinders. Speaking exclusive to Impact News at IOC Imphal Divisional Office at BT Road, IOC Imphal Divisional Office Chief Divisional Retail Sales Manager S. Ibungoton Singh said only 4 days stock of diesel is left. Ibungoton Singh said state needs 160 kiloliter of petrol daily, but there is only 133 kiloliter of petrol left in the Chingmairong oil depot, which is a dead stock. He also said petrol cannot be pumped out using pump suction, so hand pumps will be used to take out the petrol for emergency services. He said the state has been facing petrol crisis due to the 48-hour Bandh called earlier at hill districts by United Naga Council on October 30. Now the fuel crisis has deepened due to indefinite Bandh called by UNC. Ibungoton Singh said regarding the crisis, the IOC had earlier drawn the attention of the authorities concerned, including the Chief Minister. He said IOC is ready to bring petrol anytime in case the government provides adequate security escorts. He said the authorities are consulting whether to withdraw diesel from the Malom depot as only 4 days stock is left for the diesel.
I site request of Mayang service Fazana Tovangam Geneva, Matik Java, Fazaba, security arrangement, Tobiragadi, Ado driver sing, Amasway transporting to convince Toraga, Makoigisu, Nasagi, Koigi, Sipover lady have the Moina Kangaga, Mayang Sebatonor by Koi Torontoraga, Lejeri, Malom Dipota. Diesel da 2112 KL ekuna thadaraga thamjare malum deposit commission tawdragasu tangai fadragadi Imphal depot ta leriba stock sale loisalagadi numit marini gi madu ekhoi procedure na ekhoi tawraga approval ayaba lawraga bayami seba gi dongta kai tobo jage do ekhoi IOC site tagi kuisu nakona tharang tawjari.
Oil pumps in and around Imphal have been closed due to the indefinite economic blockade called by the United Naga Council on national highways. Although there were long queues across oil pumps a few days back, they have now been shut down. However, petrol is still available in the black market at Rs 150 to 200 per litre. Number of private vehicles plying on the road has reduced. It may also be recalled that all Manipur School Students Transport Association had already made an announcement to stop the school van service from today. Long queues of people depositing and exchanging 500 and 1000 rupee notes at banks were seen today also, while people rushed to ATM booths to withdraw money. A large number of people rushed to the SBI ATM booth located at Pauna International Market. Speaking to Impact News, people who rushed to the booth said they came to the ATM booth as a bank vehicle was seen parking in front of the ATM. They welcomed the move of the Prime Minister even though the public are facing inconveniences.
Numi khara gi impact ki wane नुंगाइतबा पैसा दुगी चेंजेस तौबगी अदुगा तुंगदा लाकदबदी मसिना अफबमदी लाकनी
अखोई लेबाक सिगी प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने सिलक्पा अफब गुड पॉलिसी नि हाइबा तारे को सिदी प्रजा अमा ओइना एक्सेप्ट तौई वारबसु मतम खरगिनी अफब मगी दमक्तनी अफब खोंथांगी दमक्तनी हाइदना एक्सेप्ट तौई हाइजनी
सुम लाकपदगी समय मयाम लेपदे जु यावगनी asi phram thire ado yam darga ta bai ni thiri je khitang de hapkalenge ado mayam gi torokpani lairabagi keno tawbe du gi de khara adu tadi yaninge
Union Minister Maneka Gandhi expressed apprehension on the funds sanctioned by the centre to Anganwadis in the state not reaching the children. Speaking at a political conference organized by Thopal District BJP at Chauyama Higher Secondary School Playground, Child and Women Development Minister Maneka Gandhi said, while visiting Anganwadis in the state, she found some Anganwadis not giving meal to the children and some without Anganwadi centres. She also said the centre sanctioned funds for the construction of Stop Centre in 2014, but construction of some of the centres have not been completed. She assured to complete constructions and giving due benefits to women and children if BJP comes to power. BJP Manipur Pradesh President K.S.H. Bhavananda, executive members of the party among others attended the function. Union Minister for Human Resource Development Prakash Javadekar reiterated that the territorial integrity of the state will not be compromised. BJP Nambol Mandal organized a one-day political conference and reception of retired IPS Thongnaugjam Basanta and new leaders of BJP Nambol Mandal at Nambol Bazaar bus parking. Speaking at the function, Union Minister Javadekar said the Prime Minister conducted surgical strike within the country and outside the country by withdrawing 500 and 1000 rupee notes, and it had a tremendous effect on the state government, which acquired black money through corruption. He said the government is planning to turn National Highway 150 Imphal-Aizawl Road to 4-lane and blamed the government of swindling the fund meant for the construction of the national highways in the state, which has led to the deplorable condition of these roads. He assured to complete the construction of the two highways within 2 years to revive Nambol Higher Secondary School as Higher Secondary School for girls. He said a committee has to be constituted to inquire Loktak scandal and the culprits will be jailed. He also said that special package for the state will be announced shortly.
1000 rupees and 500 note cancelled. Congress people are crying and people are laughing. How Ibobi government can collect so many thousands and crores of rupees of 1000 rupees note and 500 rupees note? How? Because they take money from you only. Ibobi's strategy is during 5 years, no employment. On the eve of election, declare all employment. Under Modi government, we will not tolerate corruption and we will send to jail all corrupt people. That is what we have decided.
Retired IPS T.H. Basanta, who joined BJP, said he joined the party as there are able leaders in the party with whom he can work for the people, and expressed his belief in Modi's slogan, Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas. He said he will not campaign for the election by criticizing the sitting MLA, but the public should see if he is suitable for being an MLA by analyzing his policies. BJP State Election Management Committee convener T.H. Chauba said there is no rule of law in the state. He said the Hill people do not support Congress anymore and blame Congress for the communal tension in the state. On the other hand, blaming the Congress government as dictator government, BJP Manipur Pradesh Legislature Wing Leader K.S. Jokishan said Congress will be defeated in the assembly election. The Congress party, which believes in buying vote, will not be able to buy vote with money anymore.
Apa isde matam punam ta faraga legeni, fata baisi matam punam ta fatana legeni. Sri Narendra Modi ne taurakpa, Manipur ki BJP Manipur Pradesh ne taurakpa, Manipur ki chak thang ke thabak taurakpa khudimak. Phanaba tawi tauduna su legeni, miyam ka tanaraga matam khudim chamine geni. BJP ki sarkar, BJP ki party karamba party no. Prajabu ki na pajaba, Prajabu nuksi na chachaba, Prajaga loim na chapa, adugumba party, adugumba government.
Union Health and Family Welfare Minister Jagat Prakash Nadda announced the setting up of a rupees 45 crore tertiary cancer care unit soon at Jenims. He was speaking at a one-day workshop on dissemination of information on program and schemes run by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, organized by State Health Society National Health Mission at City Convention Centre. Union Minister JP Nadda stated that prior to the setting up of a tertiary cancer care unit, 20 beds of neonatal intensive care unit and total number of beds at Jenims will also be increased. The Union Minister also stressed on the importance of elected members to make sure that the healthcare schemes and programs of the Indian government reaches the needy. He said if the schemes of National Health Mission like free medical treatment for the poor, free medicines don't reach them, it will create a gap between the government and the people. He said a list of free medicines should be published at district hospitals, community health centers and primary health centers under this scheme for public consumption. The Union Minister said under the program implementation plan, Centre will also provide all healthcare necessities to the state. With an aim to improve the health sector in the entire Northeast region, Centre will contribute 90% of the costs and state will have to bear just 10% under the schemes of the Indian government. Speaking at the occasion, State Health Minister D. Korungthang spoke about the healthcare work undertaken by the state government.
We should have a neonatal intensive care unit and increase the bed capacity from 10 to 20. We have accepted this demand that in Jenims we will have a 20-bedded neonatal intensive care unit. The same way, there was a request for the enhancement of the bed capacity of the forward linkage programs in Jenims. This has also been accepted and we will do it. There was a request also that there is nothing for the cancer center. So I declare that in coming times we will be having a tertiary cancer care unit worth 45 crores in Jenims.
In a very unfortunate incident, a 13-year-old girl has been missing after rescuing her aunt and a 3-year-old cousin from drowning. Feared to have drowned in Imphal River, there is a massive search operation for the dead body. The unfortunate incident occurred around 3:30 p.m. yesterday. The missing girl has been identified as Laukrakpam Rajeshwari alias Ichan, 13 years, daughter of L. Rajan from Arong Khunjao. She went missing after rescuing her aunt L. KB Sana, age 37, wife of Inaubi, and her 3-year-old cousin L. Inunganbi. Angry mob from Arong Khunjao burned down the bridge, blaming the pathetic condition of the bridge for the death of the girl. They also stated that they had requested the local MLA and concerned authorities about the condition of this important bridge connecting Hyanglam and Mayang Imphal constituencies. However, no action has been taken till date.
Matam kuire asida handam mutane te thoise mi ahum sure sirise adai oktoram jum ta chendara ko sing manong dagi angang bi sagat nadan yam khodong jada blange mo ko baga am bak pi kan koi bot pi bam bangam jaro
thong ji tagi problem ga am thokare akhona haijaba yam fam kuti mota ju akoi ai grabni adubu ngaji di mi achi la to ga da gari da bak ro mayam chi da la bi je emele matre ga anu isa gi mayam ing bangam gra.
Aspiring BJP candidates of Hyanglam Assembly constituency Maibam Dhanabir and Khongkham Robindro of Mayang Imphal met the protesting people and the family of the victim today. Maibam Dhanabir demanded the state government to help the victim's family and also repair the long-pending Arong Litan bridge.
Thong asida ngasi bokda thokhiba thokdokse yame mi oina leigedabsu ahum sure asigi ngarang siga yauraga aduga 2012 ta somuk sagi auto ma tasan madagi madugi matungda semgi budagi ngasi bok sembiraktabani paliba sarkar sire pil tawjeningi madudi ngarang leigidriba pimsa sigi imungda sarkarna angamba pibam thokpa compensation PBU haina joina sarkargi maigaida pil tawjari.
All Manipur SSA Upper Primary Teacher Association and All Manipur SSA Primary Teachers Association has submitted a memorandum to the Chief Minister demanding their due salaries and on-time payment of their salaries. Members of the association held a meeting today at MDU Hall, Yai School, and took out a rally till the Chief Minister's bungalow to submit the memorandum. Placards which read, "Pay the monthly salary on time, understand the pain of teachers," among others, were displayed at the rally. A team of Imphal West Police led by the OC spoke with the members of the rally when they reached Telephone Bhavan. Later, 5 members of All Manipur SSA Upper Primary Teacher Association and All Manipur SSA Primary Teachers Association along with the OC went to meet the Chief Minister.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯐꯥꯎꯕꯗ SSA ꯄ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯃꯥꯔꯤꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯃꯦ ꯐꯥꯎꯕꯗꯪ ꯇꯣꯂꯣꯞ ꯐꯪꯕꯗ ꯉꯥꯏꯔꯤ ꯖꯨꯟ ꯖꯨꯂꯥꯏ ꯑꯥꯒꯁต์ꯁꯦꯞꯇꯦꯝꯕꯔ ꯑꯣꯛꯇꯣꯕꯔ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯊꯥ 5 ꯄꯦꯟꯗꯤꯡꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗꯁꯨ ꯃꯦꯃꯣꯔꯦꯟꯗꯝ ꯄꯤꯁꯟꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯃꯔꯝꯗ ꯇꯣꯂꯣꯞꯁꯤ ꯀꯔꯝ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯄꯤꯗꯣꯏꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯝꯗ ꯄꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯔꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ SSA ꯑꯞꯄꯔ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯃꯥꯔꯤꯒꯤꯅ ꯖꯨꯟ ꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯇꯣꯂꯣꯞ ꯐꯪꯉ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯄꯤꯔꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯄꯦꯟꯗꯤꯡ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯊꯥꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯇꯣꯂꯣꯞ ꯄꯤꯊꯣꯛꯄꯤꯌꯨ ꯊꯥ 3 ꯍꯦꯛ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤꯁꯤ ꯇꯣꯛꯅꯅꯕ ꯆꯥꯡ ꯅꯥꯏꯅ ꯄꯤꯅꯕ ꯊꯥ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯡ ꯅꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯣꯂꯣꯞꯁꯤ ꯐꯪꯅꯕ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯅ ꯃꯔꯝꯆꯥ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯁꯦꯁ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯠꯆꯕꯅꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯟꯗꯒꯤ ꯄꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯇꯣꯂꯣꯞꯁꯤ ꯅꯟ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯟꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯟꯊꯣꯛꯄꯤꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯊꯕꯛꯁꯤ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯕꯤꯌꯨ.
State Cabinet approved the draft policy on conservation and development of Manipuri pony in principle in its meeting held on the 17 October 2016 and in pursuance to the government resolution dated 8th of November. This was announced at a press meet by the Director of Veterinary and Animal Husbandry Services Manipur, N. Rajendra today. Details of the policy can be found on the website www.vetimanipur.nic.in. Comments are invited from all the stakeholders and general public via email on spui_123@rediffmail.com and vetimanipur@gmail.com, latest by the 22nd of this month. Rajendra further stated that there was a total of 1,100 ponies in 5 years count in the year 2012. Results of the count, which began in 2013, will be out in 2017. This draft policy contains Constitution of Manipuri Pony Development Board, breeding strategies of the breed, feeding plan of Manipuri pony, prevention and control of pony diseases, development of permanent polo ground and race courses, pony-based employment opportunities.
Cabinet sugumba chagon kandabya de habi matangida policy ama conservation and the development of Manipur pony have policy that in principle wena pass ama tobire hogi pony development board ama shame mathau tare development of breeding track in every district of the state by the establishment of common preserve for natural breeding with participation of local community. Scientific breeding program shall be carried out through establishment, strengthening of the farm of to breed Manipuri pony by the state government.
GSC against the death of a 12-year-old girl at Khan Hostel called for a 24-hour statewide general strike from 5 p.m. of November 13. Speaking to media persons at Pangal Student Organization office, Hatta GSC convener Ahmed Ali said the general strike has been called as the government has not taken any action, even though the GAC submitted a memorandum to the Chief Minister and the Home Minister to punish the persons involved in the death. He also said the religious essential service and media persons related activities will be exempted.
Haukiba tang nipanda memorandum ama piduna khangan khrabasu ngasi phawba thabak oina pangthoraktaba maramdagi JSina amadi Manipur gi civil society civil organization amadi club association NGO amadi maira paibi luk kaya ga loinana lagliba tang 32 tha 38 2016 ing nomaijing numitki numidang waram pung manga taba matamdagi hauduna ningthokaba numitki pung nungdang waram gi pung manga taba phawba all Manipur gi oina jenen strike amma tawragani haibasi JSC mafam convener gi side gi thamjari.
Akom Loop, Kanglai Park warned to conduct drive against the shops in Khairamil Bazaar, which remain closed in the name of ban on 500 and 1,000 rupee notes. The shops remain closed while UNC's indefinite economic blockade on national highways against government's decision to declare Sadar Hills and Jiribam subdivision as revenue districts, which began on the 1st of this month, is still on. Speaking to media persons, Akom Loop working president Chandramani Khuman said that people are facing problem in buying essential commodities while the shopkeepers are raising prices of products taking advantage of the economic blockade. He expressed dissatisfaction over the government's inaction when the price of petrol has raised to Rs 180 per litre in the black market. He urged the government to bring about an amicable solution to end the economic blockade and to take up special arrangements for the public to exchange and deposit 500 and 1,000 rupee notes.
UN China Kauriba economic blockade asigi mayokta natragana yagani amasung yaroi makoi economic blockade hantoknaba karigumba condition amata da government ga makoi ga wari sanadaba dawna tawba aduga praja dadi blockade asina chaithing se aduki matik ekoi da piren blockade ki khudong chaba lauraga ekoi karbar wala singna port ki mamal ngakpi phangna wangkhat khre hojik phawba government na tumina leisin ba se masi ekoi yajaning de black money thingnabagi namada black karbar tawba kangbu amasu thogla e haibagi paw ekhoina su phangjare masi masu government athuba matamda thingbiraga mangki gadawriba khoi gi paisa asisu kannanabagi adugma midyang adusu sangbiu.
Women Development Manipur has appealed the government and relevant authority to find a solution to the current issue of 500 and 1,000 rupee notes. Speaking to media persons at his office at Wanghai Yunglan Ledak, President of the organization Oinam Inaubi stated that amidst the economic blockade, exchange of these old notes has added extra burden on the daily wage earners. She also urged the authority to take steps to help those who do not have a bank account.
Manipur lairiba nan Manipuri singna nupi angang singna pot thadok thajin tawbada moina income tax pu aikoina thigadabani haiba praja miyamda nupi kayabu khangang gihanba asiju maram chadana nan Manipuri dukandar achauba phamliba singsina sigumba wafam kaya thamlakpasu aikoida laikhre ojik paliba Manipur Sarkar Congress amasung BJP animaki MLA mantri mandol oiriba singsina miyeng changbiu.
Let's take a small commercial break. We'll be back in a short while. Keep watching Impact News.
Ningol Chakawada Pengba Aton Chabi Hogdabro, Wabi Ruranu, Central Agricultural University Nesinba, North East Ki Kwaidaki Chauba Agri Fiarda, Manipuri Indigenous Peace, Mapungmari Paraba Pengba Amadingaton, Pangbiragani.
Tang Tara the Gate Tarani Toypauba.
Mela Mapam, Central Agricultural University Iroishemba, Pengba Keji Tara the Keji Amagip, Ngaton Keji Manga the Keji Amagip.
Putok Chariba, S. Surchandra Pengba Farm, Hyangtang.
Ozal Pain Relief Ointment Khwang naba, kok chikpa, tang chikpa, amadi khu naba na singbada sinaba yarba Ozal Lipsap group na puthok saba Ozal sinabiyo.
Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. State-level painting competition on the theme National Awareness Campaign on Energy Conservation 2016 was held today. The competition was organized by National Hydropower Corporation, Loktak Power Station at Raj Bhavan Conference Hall. Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah said the competition was held in order to encourage the children of the state. The competition was held in two categories, namely Category A and Category B. Students of Class 4, 5 and 6 competed in the Category A, while students of Class 7, 8 and 9 competed in Category B. 110 students participated in the competition. Students competed on the themes For Better Tomorrow, Save Energy, Saving Energy is Generating Energy, and Save Energy, Get Wealthy.
Minister for Education मौलाना अब्दुल कलाम आजाद का जन्मदिन है और सरकार ने इस दिन को नेशनल एजुकेशन डे के तौर पे मनाना है और मैं समझती हूँ कि पेंटिंग भी एक तरह की एक एजुकेशन है और मुझे इस बात पर खुशी है कि हमारे बच्चे यहाँ आए हैं और एक अच्छी थीम को लेकर यहाँ पर कंपटीशन हो रहा है.
All Manipur government higher secondary lecturers, Welfare Association in a press release stated that in view of the birth anniversary of the first Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Manipur Legal Services Authority High Court will organize Children's Day on the 14th November at Borobetra Higher Secondary School under Jiribam Subdivision. Mapithel Dam Affected Coordination Committee urged the government not to inaugurate the Mapithel Dam before the affected people are given their due compensation. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club, Committee Co-Vice Chairman G.S. Wungrei So Nongdam said violence might erupt if the government tries to inaugurate the dam by force. He said it is very unfortunate that the government has not done anything for the dam affected people, even if they have been demanding their rights for a long time.
Ngasi karimba public affected people khunggang singna asigumba changsing phau desu akoi bu karigumba amicable solution ma puroningai tawdana dam si commission tawgrani herabdi madudi public akoi su adugumba sarkar si amorom dadi choi sarkar na choi amorom da hai wa hardi public na choi sarkar na tawdu area public aduna Pamdadi Madusu Soidna Akaiba Mi Ashivishu Torakani Mashida Akona Toba Mi Angamba Kayashu Akona invite Toroga Mudu Kudung Tiva Tuning Aisule.
Sandham Suresh of Tauthong Kuno, accused in a rape case, was produced at District and Session Judge Imphal West Serap Court today. It may be mentioned that Suresh is accused of raping wife of an employee at Microfinance Bank opened by him at gunpoint on 26th of October. Suresh was arrested by the police after the victim made a complaint to a CSO on the 7th of this month. Hearing the news of producing Suresh at the court, angry members of Lamdeng Kunau and Tauthong Kunau Apunbanupi Lup rushed to the court and waited for the accused. The accused has been remanded to 5 days police custody. Lining Thau Sanamahi Temple Board felicitated Soibam Mayo Lakpa on being awarded the Tomthin Nganba International Award by the Apokpa Marup Sanglen Maitei Leipak Manipur. This has been awarded in connection with the competition held on a world-level Meitei culture song in relation to the 129th birth anniversary of Lining Hal Fundrei Phulo. Soibam Mayo Lakpa is not only the board member of Lining Thau Temple Board, but also a state, national, Asian and international awardee in the field of Meitei culture songs. In sports, CSCA Wanghai Ningthem Pukri Mapal and Kongba Youth Club A entered semi-final in the 36th State Open Water Polo Tournament. In the 4th league match played at the Standard College Swimming Pool, Kongba today, CSCA Wanghai Ningthem Pukri Mapal defeated Kongba Youth Club B by 11-2. In the 5th league, Kongba Youth Club A defeated CSC B Wanghai Ningthem Pukri Mapal 8-1. The tournament is organized by Manipur Water Polo Association and will be held till 13th of this month. 6 teams are competing in the tournament. Neroka FC Sangakpham emerged victorious in the second match of the double elimination round in the 11th Manipur State League today. Neroka FC Sangakpham defeated Young Physique Union Lalambung 1-0. The lone goal was scored by Nigerian footballer Ijigo Chindinu Emmanuel. In the third double elimination round, Anoba Imagi Mangal Khabam Lamkhai will take on Nambul Mapal Cultural Organization, while in the fourth match, Klasa Kaino will clash with Trau Kwakaithil. In the 7 under-16 women's state-level hockey tournament, Sai Guwahati and the Idol Club Tera Kaithel won their respective matches. Organized by the Manipur Hockey in the first league match held today at Khuman Lampak Astro Turf Hockey Stadium, Munmi Das scored twice, Justina Horo, Nitika Barak and Maxima Zalzo of Sai Guwahati scored one each to trash YCCIC Kontha Ahlup 5-0. In the second league match, M. Kajal of the Idol Club Tera Kaithel scored a lone goal to beat Pham Yai School 1-0. In the lone under 16 match, Hockey Union Laigengbam W Amarjit scored thrice, K Milan twice, TH Malem Nganba, A Suresh, Y Galendra and KH Mishilun scored one each to Tres SYUC Uchekon 9-1. Before we end, let's take a look at headlines once again. More misery for people of Manipur. IOC says there is no stock of petrol and LPG cylinders. Only 4 days stock of diesel left in all depots. Union Minister for Human Resource Development, Prakash Javadekar, reiterates territorial integrity of Manipur will not be compromised. Union Minister Maneka Gandhi unhappy with the conditions of Anganwadi centers, promises to give due benefits to women and children if BJP comes to power. Union Health and Family Welfare Minister JP Nadda announces setting up of rupees 45 crore tertiary cancer care unit soon at Jennings. And 13-year-old girl fared drowned in Imphal River after saving 2 persons. Search operation continues.